Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Hope you guys are doing well. Tonight I wanted to share with you another tag that I created and some cards, Christmas cards. And these cards I'll be selling at the craft fair in October. So I have this kit that my girlfriend, I think she may have gifted this because it was not full, I don't believe. But what it came with was 2 of each of 6 designs. And this is by Fancy Pants collection kit, Home for Christmas. And I've never owned it before, never heard of it. So I started looking online to see what people have done with it. And I could barely find anything. So I thought, let's just make some cards. So the papers are really nice. You got some pinks and some minty greens and some red. I love the gingham. And you have the gingerbread house color and blue for the snowflakes and plaid. And then you have a sweater pattern. So really nice to play with. It also had a pack, ephemera pack with lots and lots of images to create with. And I still have lots in here. I may, maybe in September, early October, try to create a few more cards so that I can be done with the kit. And then it also had these puffy stickers. So let me show you what I made. I think I made about 8 cards. They don't have insides yet. I'm just going to wait, and one day I'm just going to stamp the inside of each card and with a sentiment, and then create an envelope for it, and then of course sign my name in the back. But this is the one I created with the die cut Santa holding this long list. I put these stickers on here to say joy, peace, hope, and magic, and 2 of the die cut gifts, and then some of the puffy stickers, and this 25 log. And then this is another one. It had a large Christmas tree and this sentiment, home for the holidays, that I kind of bent a little so to have a little dimension to it. I put a gold star on the top of the tree, and then there's a little chipboard of a deer. And that was all to this card, which I think is really sweet and simple. And then this one here, just everything has maybe a red background, and then 2 of the pattern papers. I put 2 of the tree die cut pieces here, gingerbread in the center, the 25 sticker here, Christmas tab, and then 2 gingerbread men with holly jolly. Now that holly jolly is from a chipboard set, so it didn't come with this collection. It's totally different, but I thought it blended in. And then this one here has a die cut set, Meet Me Under the Mistletoe, 2 ornaments. I put 2 puffy stickers in the center, and then I just use this die cut of a snow globe showing a beautiful winter house with the trees. Okay, and that's that one. And then this one here says I use comfort and joy, cut out a 3-inch circle and just kind of gathered some of the die cut pieces, the poinsettias, the hat, the gloves, and the mug, and then just use 2 of the pattern papers. And I've come to learn, and I try to remember that and not freak out, but in any collection where there's random patterns, as this one here, they're all going to go because that underlying tone of the colors just going to match no matter what. So just know that, and if you don't believe me, just try it. Just try putting 2 different ones together and see. It'll just go. The reds are the right reds, the greens are the right greens. So then this one here, just another oversized deer. I put a heart on the sticker, and then over the sticker I put a puffy sticker, 2 more ornaments, and then 3 of the puffy circles there, and then it just says all is calm, all is calm, all is bright. Okay, and then the last one, so it was 2, 4, 6, 7 that I've made so far, is this one here with the gingerbread house, the gnome, and the sticker that says winter with 3 puffy stickers, enamel dots. So really cute collection. I really do like it. It looks Christmassy, looks wintry. Like I said, I'll be selling these. I'm not sure whether I'm going to sell 6 or 8 in a pack. I'm just not sure, but I definitely will make some more with this collection. This may be one I may take with me on vacation because it's really simple. If I need glue sticks or anything like that, my sister would have that. I have the paper. I could use her cutter. You know, if I'm hanging with her one afternoon, or if I'm just in the hotel, I can just borrow her cutter and then come back with the cards all glued down. So that's one set, and I'll be showing you several of them as we get through this series. And then this is tag number 4, I believe. And if I'm wrong, I will make sure that it's corrected on the video. But I am using this. It's called Sled with Skates, and it is a Momenta die set. So you get the sled, you get the greenery, the skates, and the bow. Okay, and that's everything there. And I just did it just as I saw it here. So I made a few of those. I probably won't make any more of these. They're really detailed. But I'll tell you what I did. I started out with a piece of chipboard. I cut the sled once with chipboard. And then I cut out 2 of the, this is like a wood grain paper to make it look like a sled. So it'll be that way on the back. I had a pack of wood grain papers from Michael's, I believe. I can find it really quick. Probably, oh, here it is. Here, oh, perfect. It's from Hobby Lobby, excuse me. So I'm using this paper here. It's extra heavyweight, and you can see the different colors of the wood grain. So I think I used these 2 here because this matches that in the front and then that one in the back. Okay, so this is really good to cut out for sleds. I used the greenery. I even had a lot of these. I have so many, have been here for so many years. Just greenery cut out. Tim Holtz dies, Martha Stewart punches. So I'm trying to play with those and make a bunch of flower arrangements, but I'll show you that when I get to it. And then there's the bow. So I put the chipboard in the middle, and then I cover it on both sides with the different wood grain paper. And then I glued down the skates. And I'll tell you, I was really focusing on making sure the skates look like they did on the picture. So the first thing I did was put my skate down exactly the way this one was, and then put that one on top, and then glued it together so that there was some resemblance to how they were placed on the sled. It's a little anal, but I think it looks nice. The greenery in the bow, and then this piece here. And then on the back, I just stamped it to and from. So hopefully the person will write that person's name. I haven't yet put on the string that will hold it to make it look like a tag, but I'll get to that as well. And then I have the plastic envelopes that I will be gifting them in. So that is tag number 4, the sled with skates. And this is again by Momenta, and it looks like this. I think it was maybe a Hobby Lobby when they were doing clearance. So like I said, so far I've just made 6. So that's what I have for you tonight. My tag number 4 and my card set using the Home for Christmas by Fancy Pants. I think it's probably 3 or 4 years old. So if you have it in your stash, you have to use it. It really is pretty. And if you don't have it, then certainly you can just use any Christmas pattern with a set of ephemera, and you can create your own Christmas cards. So thank you again, you guys, for watching. And I think the next time I'm on, I'm going to share with you, I think I've already shared with you a set of Christmas cards that I made from cut-aparts. Right, I have a few of these left. I'm trying to play with them now. I want to cover up that greenery with my own greenery. So I already have cards made with these cut-aparts, but I'm going to make another set. So I think I'll take you with me because I want to recreate that little greenery set here and that little greenery set there. So stay tuned for that. And again, thank you again for watching. I hope you are enjoying the Christmas in July series 2023. And until my next video, you guys have a good night. Bye now.